Good afternoon, this is KOCO Chief Meteorologist Damon Lane. Here's your March 25th noon weather briefing. Temperatures this afternoon, even though we're seeing a lot of sun out there across Oklahoma, it's going to be a fairly cool day across Oklahoma City with highs only getting into the mid-50s, near 50 in Tulsa, Guymon into the 60s. We'll see the 50s and 60s across North Texas and then warmer across West Texas. Look at this cold, however. It is still hanging up across the upper Midwest and the Ohio Valley. Start watching our next system that will move out of the desert southwest during the afternoon and then cross in towards New Mexico during the evening hours overnight, and that will bring in the chance for some rain to develop. Now, we're not going to see any severe weather out of this, but this we're looking right now and towards tomorrow morning, we'll start to see a shield of rain moving in. It will cross from the Texas Panhandle across western Oklahoma, and then it will keep moving up to the northeast, and during the afternoon tomorrow at about 4 o'clock or so, we're going to see this rain mainly east of I-35. So rain will move across Oklahoma starting tomorrow morning, ending across eastern Oklahoma during the afternoon. Again, severe weather not in the forecast. How much rain are we talking about? It appears that 1 to 2/10 of an inch of rain will likely be the main reports that we get out of this, although we will see a couple isolated areas pick up near a ½ inch of rain, especially from around Altus as you go in towards Lawton and then just west of the Oklahoma City metro here. Because of the rain and the clouds that we're going to see throughout the day on Wednesday, it will be a fairly cool day. Temperatures only climbing into the 40s, lower 50s, so certainly not feeling like spring, but hey, we'll gladly take the rain. Now, where it's not raining, you can see temperatures certainly much warmer from Amarillo down to Lubbock here. Temperatures in the 70s, and then seeing the 70s extend all the way up in towards around Rapid City, South Dakota. As we go into Thursday afternoon, we start watching our next system move in here. We will get very warm across Oklahoma City. One of the warmest days we have had all year with highs near 80 degrees, but you can see that boundary here across Kansas where temperatures quickly go from the 70s to the 50s and 40s. And with this system moving in here, we do have a slight risk for severe weather for Thursday afternoon. And that does go across eastern Kansas, much of Missouri, eastern Oklahoma, northeast Texas, and Arkansas here. We are including Tulsa, Little Rock, and as you go up in towards just around Kansas City and St. Louis. So what are we talking about here? Mainly storms that develop will be wind and hail producers. There is a low tornado risk. It's not a non-existent tornado risk, but it will be fairly low. And you can see during the afternoon on Thursday, we see storms ongoing across Kansas, or across Missouri, I should be saying, exiting out of Kansas, and then a few storms just right around Arkansas there. So certainly not going to be a big severe weather event, but it is a severe weather event with hail and winds being our big concerns. And then as we go in the Friday afternoon, temperatures are cool, 50s and 60s across Oklahoma, much warmer across Texas. So we'll be talking a lot about the rain that is coming in here over the next 48 hours for Oklahoma, as well as talk about a nice warm-up as we head into the weekend coming up tonight on KOCO 5 News at 5, 6, and 10. See you then.